The iShares ESG Aware MSCI ETF, ESGE, is an exchange-traded fund, ETF, that aims to provide investors with exposure to emerging market companies that have strong environmental, social, and governance (ESG) practices. The ETF tracks the MSCI ESG Universal Index, which is composed of companies from emerging market countries that have been selected for their positive ESG characteristics. ESGE is managed by BlackRock, one of the world's largest asset managers. The fund was first launched in 2018 and has since grown to over $4 billion in assets under management. One of the key benefits of investing in ESGE is the ability to align one's investment portfolio with personal values and beliefs. By investing in companies that have strong ESG practices, investors can feel good about the impact their money is having on the world. Additionally, research has shown that companies with strong ESG practices tend to be better managed, more resilient, and may even perform better in the long term. ESGE is also a cost-effective way to gain exposure to emerging markets. The ETF has an expense ratio of 0.15%, which is lower than the average expense ratio for actively managed emerging market funds. The fund invests in a broad range of companies across various sectors and countries. As of October 2021, the top holdings of the fund include Tencent Holdings, China Mobile, and Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing. The fund is also well diversified across sectors, with the largest sector allocations being to technology, financials, and consumer staples. In terms of country exposure, China is the largest country represented in the fund, followed by South Korea and Taiwan. The fund also has a significant allocation to India, Brazil, and Russia. One potential drawback of ESGE is that it has a relatively small number of holdings compared to other emerging market ETFs. As of October 2021, the fund held just over 200 stocks, which may increase the risk of individual stock performance impacting the overall performance of the fund. Overall, the iShares ESG Aware MSCI ETF, ESGE, offers investors an opportunity to align their investment portfolio with personal values and beliefs, while also gaining exposure to emerging market companies with strong ESG practices. The fund is well diversified across sectors and countries, and has a low expense ratio. However, it is important to note that the fund has a relatively small number of holdings, which may increase the risk of individual stock performance impacting the overall performance of the fund.